I just pulled up. These birds are going crazy. Look at this. I wonder what's going on. They're probably like we're freezing to death. What's happening? They're on the ground. They're on this guy's roof over here. Look, they're wherever. All this same, they're on those backbirds too. Why is it just here? I've never seen anything like this. This is bonkers, dude. Anybody knows? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. Peace out.